Tiyak nilita Avila, ti Paway Ilocos Norte. May sakmet nga kamameng, ti guling-guling festival ti Paway. Ket yususaran mi nga panakaprops mi daytoy sabsabot. Daytoy ti kanawidan nga usaran ti lalakay kada bambakot diri. Ket no andakas ko nga umot mo, may sakameten nga natanok sa dagawon mo masabsabot. Kaya din una na awang pa'y baso anak ko. Kaya ito nga kanawidan mi, tinawon nga sa sarum mi, nanipod pa'y di ubingak, daytoy na salsalaan mi, tiguling-guling.
Paway has never been among the top contenders, but their presence in the festival remains strong year after year. This time, they bring the story of Pedro, a boy who defied expectations and proved that perseverance can lead to success. Like Pedro, Paway refuses to be discouraged. Will their persistence finally pay off and earn them a well-deserved breakthrough?
Paway's performance transforms adversity into triumph, a vivid tale of resilience and renewed faith that defines true Pawayeños.
We will showcase the heart of Paway. Every scene reflects the resilience and devotion of our people.
Guling-guling is represented by a bell weaving, basi making, and people's tenacity and dedication, which are evident in every scene. Thus, our festival is not just merely a show, but a story to tell.
With determination and divine grace, no dream is out of reach.
I am optimistic that this year's performance will be the best for Paway. Paway, sikat kalalatakan.
Paway, kumakaway!
Amoya, nangag ka. Agpadi ka no ni Pedro.
Ay, asin no ti agpade ni Pedro.
Wan, taiso ka no ti arapaap na.
Makalpas ayakad mo dayta, nakukurapay da. Ay, pangalaak na ta iti pangsakad ko. Ket agpadi tay apo ko. Ay, amugong, agabel nak.
Bisen kayo nga umay makimisa at pipin nakawan tayo.